Hello everyone, I'm Jeff Tucker, Product Manager for the Design System Group here at GitLab. We're going to take a look at our 17.4 milestone plans this afternoon. For this milestone, we have three key themes. We're going to start applying the dark mode vision to our pajamas components. We're going to continue rolling out more design tokens to GitLab UI. We're going to start exploring the usage of those design tokens outside of pajamas and GitLab UI. So on the design track, we finalized our design vision for dark mode in the 17.3 milestone. We're now looking to turn this vision into some concrete decisions for the components within our pajamas design system. So we're going to be working through component by component here, understanding how these principles apply, working through any details that we need to unpack to fully realize them. As a reminder, if you haven't seen or forgotten the vision, these are the latest comps that our designers have produced. Some really beautiful ways to mature the product UI, including some areas where the dark mode experience is actually going to lead in innovative and interesting new UI that is going to end up driving back to changes on the light mode side of things. So lots of exciting things coming there. We're also going to be using the design tokens that we have already authored in the UI kit. This is a fairly important aspect of ensuring that the entire product and engineering org has access to the design tokens. Right now, they've been pretty exclusively managed on the development side. This is going to ensure that all of the Figma UI kit components are also using the exact same design tokens that the engineering counterparts are using. So you can see a handful that we're going to be looking at here in this current milestone. We've got plenty more beyond this to continue porting over. We've also got more components within GitLab UI that need to be tokenized. We've completed a little over half, maybe 60% of the overall set of Vue components that we've captured in this library. We're going to be working to finalize the rest of them, especially forms is an area that is complex and we still need to do a lot of work to get across the line. We are also going to be looking at how we can use these design tokens outside of the GitLab UI code base. A lot of the original design decisions were focused on the pajamas components. We think they're going to be scalable and will work across the broader GitLab CSS code base, but we want to understand that before we start asking other teams to start adopting these. So in this milestone, we're going to be looking at some of the low-hanging fruit where we have a whole host of gray colors that are repeated and we can likely replace with some fairly simple rules. And that'll give us our chance to start testing out these processes and guidance and definitions to make sure that they match within the GitLab code base. Beyond that, we have all sorts of findings that we need to improve upon. This is our internal code scanner that shows us how many findings are violating some of the rules and guidelines that we have implemented for the product. We've got a host here around SAS color usage, text color usage that we're going to have to evaluate to convert them to the more semantic oriented design token definitions that we use. We've got a few other odds and ends on the engineering side, some small component updates to add a danger variant to drop-down options, fixing some sticky tooltips, or so we hope, enabling the review roulette for some of the teams that use our pajamas documentation. That wraps our plans for the 17.4 milestone. If you have any questions, thoughts, feedback, please reach out. We're happy to chat. Thank you.